Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Today we are going to read another set of sentences. Are you ready? Let's start. I will go to school. Again, I will go to school. Your turn to read, children. I will sing a song. Again, I will sing a song. Your turn to read, children. I will write my name. Again, I will write my name. Your turn to read, children. I will eat my food. Again, I will eat my food. Your turn to read, children. I will buy a toy. Again, I will buy a toy. Your turn to read, children. I will play my drum. Again, I will play my drum. Your turn to read, children. I will run very fast. Again, I will run very fast. Your turn to read, children. I will read this book. Again, I will read this book. Your turn to read, children. I will wash my hands. Again, I will wash my hands. Your turn to read, children. I will take a bath. Again, I will take a bath. Your turn to read, children. I will brush my teeth. Again, I will brush my teeth. Your turn to read, children. I will comb my hair. Again, I will comb my hair. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. I will go to school. I will sing a song. I will write my name. I will eat my food. I will buy a toy. I will play my drum. I will run very fast. I will read this book. I will wash my hands. I will take a bath. I will brush my teeth. I will comb my hair. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lessons.